Hello guys, today we will unbox this small size remote controlled car. The remote control car, for wheel drive high or low speed. The speed control 2 levels proportional. It has USB charger. You can put these obstacles on the ground and try to drive without hitting them. The body of the car is made of solid plastic like a Real RC car. It looks very solid. There is a spring at the back of the car that acts as a shock absorber. It is not possible to break this body shell with the weight of this car. You need use normal charging head or computer USB port to charge. The maximum current of the battery is 5 amp, which is twice the maximum current if you use the Apple Quick Charge. The transmitter has not proportional turn right or left. You will see it when I drive it. But you can set the speed in 2 stages. Basic, but it's a fun little remote control car. I can recommend this car to anyone who wants to improve their remote control car skills or beginners. In these types of entry-level controlled cars, you should be gentle with the controller. The package including screwdriver. Good to have a rechargeable lithium battery. Moreover, 2 batteries. To reach batteries compartment using screwdriver. Yes, it's a little boring, but it is important for safety. Screwless battery slots deteriorate faster, you have to tape. Rechargeable lithium batteries are better than AA-type batteries. Because it is very light, your battery cost will be less and you can drive fast because the vehicle is lighter.